Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits like this. Join them together on the back using the rubber bands. Divide the hairs into small sections using the rubber bands like this. Tie it together and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this. After that, we'll divide them into 3 parts and make the plaits like this on each section of the hairs. After that, take all the hairs together and make the plaits of the hairs like this, and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs in the front like this using the rubber bands. Now tie the hairs on the back like this. After that, we will rotate it, divide it into 2 parts, join it on the sides, and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs, make the plaits on one section of the hairs. Now take another section of the hairs, rotate it by dividing it, make a bow on the top, fix the hairs together using a rubber band. After that, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video, and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll tie the hairs on the sides. Now divide the hairs into 2 parts from the back and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs like this. Now rotate the upper part using this hairstyling tool. After that, make the plaits by dividing it into 2 parts. Make the plaits on the sides. Roll it to make the bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching.